Oy, what are you doing? Dito ka!
How are you going
Ano, kaburi ka yung... Eran!
Kasi isang meto pumaputa. Ayan, Ali mayroon kang kalaro
Okay.
Okay. Investigator, lemula! Lemula, kung atina kung boses niyo niyo.
Ako, ati ko pang ba't yung kukuhan?
Pagyali ka! May mumu ka naman!
Ati ko pang
Hey, I want to go
kukuhan.
upstairs.
No!
Gusto mong
Hindi ito
makita?
Airbnb. Paano
Halika.
ka?
Halika.
Sumamot si Gego.
Halika. Dance ka rin, alam mo na rin ka. Is this where the bedrooms are at?
Nasa tingnan na niya.
Where's the bedroom? I'm excited. Ito, yung bedroom, maliliit lang.
Ilan nga, ilan na yung tutok ng Kenya. Kasayang na.
Halika, may ano ng... Ano ng mata?
Wait, let me check the other room.
Ay, may
Ah.
naku.
Ay, marami. Okay naman pala na.
Hindi sa
Yellow.
din natin. Digdagan yun.
Wow!
Ay, hindi digdagan.
A viewing area. What's in the closet?
Eh, ba't yun Happy na yung digdagan.
Well, what's there? It's just another room. It's like a hotel. Oh, you're playing Roblox? Yeah, I'm recording. You have Roblox? I'm recording, by the way. Wait, do you have voiceover?
Saan din talaga din yung second floor na?
Okay.
Ayun, nakipaglaro
Oh, yan. Nakita mo na. Pasno na ko.
Sometimes when I go upstairs, I just walk like an animal when going upstairs.
Kaya yan, Mars. Pag Tagalog, Tagalog.
By the way,
Ay, wow.
there's that.
Pero Tagalog galing yun.
I was 5 when I had that. I think I was 5 when I had that. Why do I keep falling on that level?
Oo nga, dapat dinala na natin yung tablet.
When? I keep falling on this level. Stop it.
There's
There's a TV. There's a gigantic TV.
Oy. Stick.
Looks like our door.
Yeah.
Ay, diba?
Yeah.
Pero Pariblaya, huling second floor yan eh. Kaya kami.
Yeah.
Balik eh. Ito na
Alas 11 at dinner yan, karano ako, huwag kang masira eh. Ako niya, hindi kakako. Tara, tara. Tara.